Discover the power of the new Amazon Echo Pop. Imagine a tiny device that packs a sonic punch, delivering rich, room-filling sound right from your bedside table. Meet the newest Amazon Echo Pop, delighting tech enthusiasts like you with its sleek, compact design that seamlessly fits anywhere without compromising on audio quality. The Echo Pop isn't just our smallest Alexa speaker, it's a game changer that transforms any room into a smart space. Perfectly designed for cozy nooks, bedrooms, or tight spaces, its presence is felt through its mighty, immersive sound that stands tall amongst larger speakers. Elevate your audio experience with simple voice commands. With the Echo Pop, control your music, audiobooks, and podcasts from favorites like Amazon Music, Spotify, and more. Whether you're streaming via Bluetooth or exploring music genres, enjoy unparalleled convenience and crisp clarity. Available in chic charcoal, the Echo Pop's aesthetic complements any living space. It effortlessly blends in, but the moment it plays, it stands out, an elegant balance between style and functionality that tech aficionados will adore. Ready to redefine your audio space? Elevate your listening experience with the new Amazon Echo Pop. Compact in size yet colossal in sound, it's designed for enthusiasts who treasure technology and style. Get yours today and transform how you listen to entertainment.